The Crutchfield Holiday 2020 Discovery Book is full of ideas and products to help you and yours have a happy holiday season. Home AV writer Kramer shows you how to build a home theater system and experience the happiness of surround sound. Crutchfield training manager JR shares tips on improving the factory sound system in a new car for a happier driving experience. Not happy with your TV? Home AV writer Dave has some recommendations from Sony, LG, and Samsung. Our editors share their picks to spread some happiness into your car or home. Crutchfield advisor Ivy loves her recent car audio upgrades. See her recommendations to improve the sound in your ride. Looking for gift ideas? Well, check out these cool gadgets that can make your life a little easier and safer. Crutchfield photographer Jay likes his boat, and his family likes it even more with its new sound system. See ways you can bring happiness on board your vessel.